Did you know? The origins of Christmas go back thousands of years, long before it became associated with Santa Claus, Christmas trees, and gift-giving. The winter solstice, celebrated by many ancient cultures, laid the groundwork for the holiday we know today. In ancient Rome, the festival of Saturnalia was held in December to honor the god Saturn. It was a time of feasting, gift-giving, and social role reversals, where even slaves were treated as equals for a day. The Norse celebrated Yule during the winter solstice, lighting massive Yule logs to bring warmth and light during the darkest days of the year. This tradition later influenced many Christmas customs. Christianity began incorporating these pagan traditions in the 4th century, when December 25th was chosen as the date to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. This date coincided with existing solstice festivals, making it easier to convert pagan communities to Christianity. The concept of Christmas caroling has its roots in ancient traditions of singing during winter festivals, often to bring good luck for the coming year. Over time, these songs became associated with Christian hymns and holiday cheer. In the Middle Ages, Christmas celebrations were far rowdier than today, resembling a mix of Mardi Gras and New Year's Eve. Revelers took to the streets, eating, drinking, and partying. The tradition of decorating evergreen trees can be traced back to Germanic pagan customs. Trees were symbols of life and fertility, and over time, Christians adopted the practice, adding religious symbolism. By the 17th century, Puritans in England and America tried to suppress Christmas celebrations, deeming them too pagan and unholy. However, the holiday persisted, evolving into a quieter, family-focused occasion. The Victorian era played a major role in shaping modern Christmas. Queen Victoria and Prince Albert popularized Christmas trees, while Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol highlighted themes of generosity and goodwill. Santa Claus, as we know him today, was inspired by St. Nicholas, a 4th century Greek bishop known for his generosity. Dutch settlers brought the legend to America, where it evolved into Santa's modern image. In the early 19th century, Santa Claus was depicted as a thin, stern figure, but he gained his jolly, plump image thanks to the illustrations of Thomas Nast and Coca-Cola advertisements in the 20th century. Christmas cards began in England in the 1840s as a way to send holiday greetings. The tradition quickly spread, becoming a staple of holiday celebrations worldwide. Gift-giving, a central part of Christmas today, was originally linked to the story of the Magi bringing gifts to baby Jesus. Over time, it became associated with Santa Claus and commercialized in modern society. The tradition of hanging stockings dates back to a legend about St. Nicholas, who secretly placed gold coins in the stockings of 3 poor sisters to save them from hardship. The tradition of hanging stockings dates back to a legend about St. Nicholas, who secretly placed gold coins in the stockings of 3 poor sisters to save them from hardship. Christmas lights were first used in the 17th century when people placed candles on their trees. The invention of electric lights in the 19th century made decorating much safer and more spectacular. Many cultures have unique Christmas traditions. In Japan, families often celebrate with KFC, while in Iceland, children leave shoes out for the Yule lads, mischievous holiday trolls. By the mid-20th century, Christmas became heavily commercialized. Shopping malls introduced the concept of Santa's Grotto, where children could meet Santa and share their wishes. Movies and music have also played a big role in shaping Christmas. Classics like It's a Wonderful Life and songs like Jingle Bells bring holiday nostalgia and cheer every year. Christmas markets, originally from Germany, have become popular worldwide, offering festive foods, crafts, and decorations. They are a cherished tradition in many European cities. The holiday is also a time for charity and giving back. Many organizations run toy drives, food banks, and fundraisers to help those in need during the festive season. During World War I, the Christmas truce of 1914 showed the power of the holiday spirit. Soldiers on opposing sides laid down their weapons to exchange gifts, sing carols, and play soccer. In some countries, like Mexico, Christmas includes celebrations like Las Posadas, which reenact Mary and Joseph's search for shelter. These traditions add cultural richness to the holiday. The image of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer originated from a 1939 storybook created by Montgomery Ward, a department store chain. The character was later popularized by a hit song. Christmas feasts vary worldwide. In Italy, families enjoy the Feast of the Seven Fishes, while in Australia, Christmas often means barbecues on the beach due to the summer season. At this point, if you're enjoying these fascinating stories, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging videos like this one. The Christmas tree tradition spread to America in the 18th century, introduced by German immigrants. Today, millions of families decorate their trees with ornaments, lights, and tinsel. Many Christmas traditions, like mistletoe and holly, have pagan origins. These plants were considered sacred in ancient times, symbolizing life and protection. Modern innovations like artificial trees and LED lights have made Christmas more eco-friendly and convenient for many households. The iconic song, Silent Night, was first performed on Christmas Eve in 1818 in Austria. It has since become one of the most beloved carols worldwide. Christmas has also inspired modern traditions, like Elf on the Shelf, where parents hide a toy elf each night to entertain and surprise their children. This playful custom fosters excitement and anticipation among kids as they search for the hidden elf each morning. In the Philippines, the holiday season is celebrated with spectacular lantern festivals and the Simbang Gabi, a series of nightly masses leading up to Christmas Day. These vibrant celebrations showcase the country's rich cultural heritage and deep religious devotion during the festive season. In Norway, a unique tradition involves hiding brooms on Christmas Eve to ward off witches and evil spirits believed to roam during the night. This practice reflects the nation's historical folklore and adds a distinctive touch to their Christmas celebrations. Christmas parades, like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, mark the start of the holiday season in many cities, with floats, performances, and Santa's grand arrival. These vibrant events bring communities together to celebrate the festive period. In modern times, digital technology has transformed Christmas. Virtual cards, online shopping, and streaming holiday classics are now part of the celebrations, making festivities more accessible and convenient for people around the world. Many families create their own unique traditions, such as matching pajamas, Christmas movie marathons, or baking special holiday treats. These personalized customs strengthen family bonds and make the holiday season more memorable and enjoyable. Christmas has become a symbol of hope, peace, and togetherness for people of all beliefs, transcending its religious origins. This universal message resonates with diverse communities worldwide, promoting unity and goodwill during the festive season. The holiday has inspired countless literary works, from A Christmas Carol to The Polar Express, capturing the magic and meaning of the season. These stories enrich the cultural narrative surrounding Christmas and enchant audiences of all ages. Christmas songs, from All I Want for Christmas Is You to White Christmas, continue to dominate airwaves, bringing festive cheer to listeners worldwide. These timeless melodies enhance the holiday spirit and create joyful atmospheres everywhere they are played. For many, Christmas is a time for reflection and gratitude, an opportunity to spend quality time with loved ones and appreciate life's blessings. This period fosters meaningful connections and personal growth among individuals and families. The magic of Christmas lies in its ability to bring people together, whether through shared meals, exchanged gifts, or the joy of giving back to the community. These moments of unity and generosity embody the true spirit of the holiday. From its humble beginnings as a solstice celebration to its current status as a global holiday, Christmas continues to evolve, weaving old traditions with new ones. This evolution reflects changing societal norms and cultural influences. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let the spirit of Christmas and its rich history inspire you year-round, filling every day with joy and warmth.